So guys, just 24 hours to snap. Now, you're all pros by now, right? You know exactly what you need to do. You know what are the documents that you need to keep with yourself. Please ensure you have the admit card in place. Please ensure you've got your ID proof in place. I don't know whether they're allowing you to carry pens or not, but carry 2 pens, ballpoint pens, simple 2 rupee pens. That's it, nothing more. Please ensure you have a handkerchief in place, have a half a bottle of water, have your sanitizer in place, masks in place, carry a couple of gloves as well in case you need it. You're not happy with the center, we don't know what will happen, okay? Keep all of these operational things you're already a pro at. You've written all your exams, you've written NMAT, you've written CAT. Some of you might have already written, MyCAT as well. So you've written quite a few exams. So you're a pro with respect to all of this. Now, let's focus on what is it that you should keep in mind over the course of the next 24 hours and specifically in that 1 hour of the SNAP exam. Now, you've already experienced enough mocks to know that SNAP predominantly is going to have 3 sections. You know that it's not a timed section. So the important thing is to have your time breakup per section in place. That's a very, very important thing. Now in CAT, that wasn't an issue because they had told you 40 minutes each. In NMAT, that wasn't an issue. There was time that was stipulated. Here, you take the call. You are God. It's similar to what happened in IIFT. Hence, be very, very clear in terms of what the bifurcation should be. Since there are only 15 questions in verbal and there is no RC, do not spend too much time here. Ideally about 7-8 minutes, max 10. Then reasoning becomes very, very important. LR is there predominantly. It's going to be predominantly analytical reasoning. 25 questions. This is where you need to ace. This is where you need to get your marks. Give it enough time. Give it these additional 3, 4, 5 minutes that you have saved in verbal. Transfer it here. For these 25 questions, give yourself 28 to 30 minutes. Remaining time moves to quant. There are 20 questions to do. Don't worry too much. Please keep in mind, last year around a score of 42 was 96 percentile. Around a score of about 48, 49 was close to 99.5 percentile, which means you predominantly want to be in the range of 46 plus. If you are 46 plus, you are surely going to be 98 percentile plus. You'll get a call from SIBM Pune. You'll get a call from SCMHRD. And last year, there was no normalization across slots. So don't go in thinking, if I get a tougher one, there'll be normalization. It might not happen. Give your best shot. It's going to be best out of the 2. In case it doesn't work out, hopefully you've already gone ahead and applied once again for another slot, but don't worry about all of that. Just keep this thing in mind that at the end of the day, the aim is 46 plus. If it ends up being tougher, if all 3 slots end up being tougher, cutoffs will reduce. Just keep a calm mind. It's a 1 hour exam. It's probably the shortest exam you've taken this year. Think of it as a mock. Ensure that, you don't feel sleepy around 2 p.m. You reach in time. You're there about 45 minutes before the slot. Have your sip of water. Be ready. That 1 hour is very, very important. And I'm sure you can go ahead and crack it. And after the exam, don't forget at 5 p.m. Byju's exam prep. Come back to us. We're going to do an analysis on YouTube. It's going to be an in-depth analysis. Also, it will let you know for all the others in slot 2 and slot 3, what is it that you should do and shouldn't do to be prepared for the other 2 slots. That's it from my end. That's it from the end for Byju's exam prep. All the very best to all of you all for SNAP 2021. Go ahead, have fun and enjoy. Bye-bye.